Hello. Today we'll see how to create a simple Flask web server in Python and serve a HTML file. First, download Flask by typing pip install Flask. If you are on a Mac, try Python 3-m, pip install Flask. Now import Flask in the Python file. We can create a new app. Then we can add a new route. The single slash means it's the home page. In the route, we can create a new function. The function should return the text to serve. Let's serve a simple hello world message. To run the server, we can use app.run. There we go. We have a hello world server. Now let's see how to serve a HTML file. First, create a folder called templates and make a HTML file inside it. Now go back to the Python file and import render template from Flask. Now, in the index function, return render template index.html. Let's try this out. And there we go. We have created a Flask server that serves a HTML file in Python. If this helped you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. If you have any questions or doubts, please comment below.